Here's are the top 5 most weirdest animal sounds in the world. The last one sounds like a dinosaur. But first, you'll have incredible luck tomorrow if you like. And subscribe to my channel within 3 seconds. First is koala. This dude's asleep like he fought a kangaroo and lost. Next is cheetah. Fastest cat alive, but talks like a confused bird. Next is red panda. Tiny panda, big drama queen energy. Next is moose. This moose clearly skipped singing lessons. And number 5, Australian bustard. This animal sound just make me pee in my pants.